Cheers. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, that's really good.
Wow. Wow. This is called the Dragon Dearest Martini.
Yes, Dragon Dearest, like Mommy Dearest, Dragon Dearest.
This is going to be one of 3 videos we're going to show you for Halloween, so you have some spooky drinks. So in this one, we're going to do this one here, and this is it is kind of spooky when you look what's inside there. Because we made it, we know it's there.
But yeah, what that is we took a round ice cube tray and we stuck a whole bunch of sour gummy worms in there. So we made it look really spooky. It looks almost like a brain or something that's part of a brain that's sitting in there or whatever. But anyway, it's really fun. And you want to put the ice in at the end because otherwise it'll melt and ruin the whole effect. But it's really kind of cool. And I think it gave it a little extra flavor too.
Yeah, it did. Let's show you how we did it. The interesting thing is you got to put the ice in second to the last.
In this one, yeah, second to the last. You're absolutely right. Yeah, otherwise you ruin your chartreuse effect with your Chambord.
And this does have a spooky effect, and it's but it's actually a good, if you like a little sweetness to it, because I think some of the candy is kind of rubbing off with the sugar in there.
Yeah. Quite tasty. So as you are giving out your candy on Halloween night, you're not going anywhere, you're not driving, have a couple of cocktails.
Yeah.
We got some more coming up for you next.